Downtime cost. How to calculate and minimize it. Downtime is when most, or all, production and business processes are unavailable. When an organization experiences downtime, its IT systems, such as servers, production, cloud, databases, and applications, are offline or unavailable. The cost of downtime includes monetary losses in the form of lost sales, cost of repair, maintenance, support, and overtime pay for employees, in addition to reputational damage. Here's what you need to know to calculate the cost of downtime. Analyze the percentage of processes, operations, services, and applications that are disrupted, the revenue they generate, and the impact they have on employee productivity. Consider the average hourly, daily, weekly, monthly revenue. Estimate how much revenue your business expects to lose when certain processes, operations are disrupted, unavailable. The best way to make sure that unplanned downtime has minimum impact on production is to be prepared for it beforehand. An effective disaster recovery plan details what backup administrators need to do to reduce downtime efficiently and with minimum impact to production. Backup and Doctor makes sure that you have a way to recover data and restore operations, even when all else fails. Automation is a key component of a reliable backup and Doctor solution because it reduces management overhead and the chances of human error. Surface of attacks are vulnerable endpoints that ransomware and hackers can exploit to gain access to your network and encrypt and/or steal critical data. To prevent downtime, it's necessary to reduce the possibility of a cyber attack from 3x to 1x, and that can be done with automated air-gapped backups and immutability. To reduce unplanned downtime and its costs effectively, you need to plan ahead, have reliable backup and disaster recovery, Doctor, and automate it to avoid human error. That's where Stonefly comes in. For details, visit Stonefly website.